Presenting Iconn's equity mining feature. More than 50% of service traffic are customers who did not purchase their vehicle from that dealership. Creating a sales process around these already loyal customers while they are in the service drive is the first step to converting them to new car buyers. Once a process is in place, select an energetic employee to oversee service drive traffic. Provide your employee with soft credit pull and mobile technology to ensure service drive engagement. These tools provide your employee with all the information they need in the palm of their hand and on average yield over 10 units per month from brand loyal customers. Our equity mining tool utilizes the information in your database to identify qualified leads based on specific data. The data mining system is split into multiple categories: equity in vehicle, sales with no service, service with no sales, and conquest. This information gives your dealership a competitive advantage by identifying current and conquest opportunities that have the highest probability of purchasing or servicing a vehicle. With an average gross profit of $2,500 per vehicle, our program can potentially yield a healthy boost to your bottom line. By getting these customers into a new vehicle with a similar payment for little or no money down, you can convert them into loyal repeat car buyers. For further details on our program, please view our other more in-depth videos.